Hello everybody. I know I've done these falls before. It's just called a scenic lookout, beautiful waterfalls, but it was a very windy, rainy day the last time that I did it. So I'll flip you around and show you the waterfall. It's a very beautiful waterfall, about as far as we can go before it just drops down into the cliff. You hear it before you see it. It's like big, it's quite a bit of water today. Makes a nice sound. And there's a little one to the right. Oh yeah, to the left of me. Yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. I'll catch you again another time. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.